Hello students, welcome to Anne's classes. Let's do perimeter and area of plane figures exercise 21b. Question 1. Find the area of a rectangle whose length is given to us and breadth is given to us. Now we're going to find area in this exercise. So let's begin with what is given to us. Length is given to us as 15 centimeters. Breadth is given 6.4 centimeters. Now we're going to find the area of this rectangle with the help of a formula. Area of the rectangle equals length into breadth. So we just have to multiply the length and the breadth. So the length is given to us as 15 centimeters. We're going to multiply this with the breadth, which is 6.4 centimeters. So let's multiply 6.4 into 15. Let's ignore the point. 64 into 15. 5 fours are 20, carry 2. 5 sixes are 30 plus 2 is 32. Second step, 1 fours are 4, 1 sixes are 6. We add up these, 0, 2 plus 4 is 6 and 3 plus 6 is 9. Now let's go back to this question. In this question there is one decimal place. So our answer also should have one decimal place. So now we have got 96.0 or simply 96. Now area of the rectangle will be in square units. So since it is centimeter, here it will be centimeter square. So the area of this rectangle is 96 centimeter square. Question 2. Length is given and the breadth is given. So let's begin. Length is 8.5 meters. Breadth is 5 meters. So let's use the formula to find the area of the rectangle, which is length into breadth. So length is 8.5 meters and breadth is 5 meters. So let's multiply 8.5 into 5. That will be 85 into 5. 5 fives are 25, carry 2. 5 eights are 40 plus 2, 42. Now back to the question. There's one decimal place. Our answer also should have one decimal place. So here we have 42.5. So this is the area of the rectangle. Now let's put the units. The unit here is meter. So for area it is square units, so meter square. So the area of this rectangle is 42.5 meter square. Question 3. Length is given, breadth is given. So let's start. Length is 3.6 meters, breadth is 90 centimeters. So as you can see, the units are different. So the first thing we need to do is convert the units so that both are in the same unit. Since length is in meters, let's convert breadth also to meters. So we have 90 centimeters. So we know that 100 centimeters make 1 meter. So here it is 90 centimeters. 90 centimeters will be 90 by 100. So that is 90, and then check the denominator. It has 2 zeros. So your point will move 2 places to the left and come here. So it is 0.90 or 0.9. So we have converted breadth here to 0.9 meters. Now let's find the area. Area is length into breadth. So length is 3.6 meters into breadth is 0.9 meters. So let's multiply 3.6 into 0.9. When we ignore the point, it becomes 36 and here it becomes 9. 36 into 9. 9 sixes are 54, carry 5. 9 threes are 27 plus 5 is 32. Now let's look at the question. Now here there is one decimal place and here there is one decimal place. So there are two decimal places. That means after the point in our answer, there should be 2 digits. So the point comes here. So what do we have here? We have 3.24. Now this is the area of this rectangle and our units will be meter square. So our final answer here is 3.24 meter square. Question 4. So here we have length given to us as 24 centimeters and the breadth is given to us as 180 millimeters. So units are different. So length is 24 centimeters. Breadth is 180 millimeters. Since length is in centimeters, let's convert breadth also to centimeters. So 10 millimeters make 1 centimeter. Therefore, 180 millimeters will be 180 divided by 10. Okay, so we can cancel here. So what do we have? We simply have 18. So we have converted breadth now to 18 centimeters. So now both the units are the same. Let's find the area. Area of the rectangle is length into breadth, and length is 24 centimeters. Breadth is 18 centimeters. So let's multiply 24 and 18. 8 fours are 32, carry 3. 8 twos are 16, 17, 18, 19. Second step, 1 fours are 4, 1 twos are 2. Let's add this. 2, 9 plus 4 is 13, carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, 432. So when we multiply, we get 432. And since this is the area, our unit will be centimeter square. So we have found the area of this rectangle to be 432 centimeter square. Question 2. Find the area of a square whose side is, the first one, it is 7.2 centimeters. So let's start. The side of a square is 7.2 centimeters. Now we have to find the area of the square. The formula to find the area of the square is side raised to the power of 2, that is side square, or this is side into side. So the side of the square is 7.2 centimeters. So we multiply this twice, 7.2 into 7.2. Let's multiply 7.2 into 7.2. That is 72 into 72. 2 twos are 4, 2 sevens are 14. Second step, 7 twos are 14, carry 1, 7 sevens are 49, plus 1, 50. So plus, we get 4, 8, 1 and 5. So here the area of the square is 5184 given there, but before that we need to go back to our question and check the decimal places. So here we have 2 decimal places, that means our answer also should have 2 decimal places, 51.84. So now we have found the area of this square to be 51.84. And since it is area, the unit will be centimeter square. So we have found the first answer. Area is 51.84 centimeter square. Now the second question, here also the side has been given. It is 4.5 meters. So side of the square is 4.5 meters. Now let's find the area of the square with the formula area is equal to side square, which is side into side. So let's multiply 4.5 meters into 4.5 meters. So 4.5 into 4.5. That will be 45 into 45 after ignoring the point. 5 fives are 25, carry 2. 5 fours are 20 plus 2, 22. Second step, 4 fives are 20, carry 2. 4 fours are 16 plus 2, 17, 18. Now let's add this up. 5, 2, 2 plus 8 is 10, carry 1, 2, 2025. Go back to the question, check the number of decimal places, 1 plus 1, 2. So our answer also should have 2 decimal places. So here we have 20.25. And we have found the area here. Area is 20.25 meter square. So we have found the answer to the second question. The area is 20.25 meter square. The third one, the sides measurement has been given. So let's write it down. The side of the square is 4.1 centimeters. Now we have to find the area of the square with the formula area is equal to side square, which is side into side. So that will be 4.1 centimeters into 4.1 centimeters. So let's multiply 4.1 into 4.1, ignoring the point, 41 into 41. 1 ones are 1, 1 fours are 4. Second step, 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16, plus 1, 4 plus 4 is 8, 6 and 1. So 1681. Now when we go back to the question, we can see 1 plus 1, 2 decimal places. So our answer also should have 2 decimal places. So here we have 16.81, and this is the area, and the units used are centimeters. So the final answer is centimeter square. So we have 16.81 centimeter square. Question 3. If A denotes area of a rectangle, L represents its length and B represents its breadth, find L. That is, we have to find the length. So A is given to us, that is area, and B is given to us, which is breadth. Now we have to find the length. So area of the rectangle is 48 centimeters square. Breadth of the rectangle B, okay, is 6 centimeters. So the units are the same, centimeters. Now we have to find the length with the help of the formula area divided by breadth. So length is equal to area divided by breadth. So how much is the area? 48 centimeter square divided by 6 centimeters. So we have to divide 48 by 6. 6 eighths are 48 minus 0. So we've got 8 here, and since it's the length, it is 8 centimeters. So length will be 8 centimeters. So this is our final answer. We've been asked to find the length and we have found it to be 8 centimeters. The second question, we are asked to find breadth if area is equal to 88 meters square and length is equal to 11 meters. So let's write down what's given. Area of the rectangle A is 88 meters square. Length of the rectangle L is 11 meters. Now we need to find the breadth of the rectangle by using the formula area by length. So breadth of the rectangle is equal to area divided by length. So we have 88 meters square divided by 11 meters. So dividing 88 by 11, 11 eighths are 88. So minus 0. So here we have found that 88 by 11 is 8, and this is meters since we are finding the breadth of the rectangle. So we have found our answer to be 8 meters, a final answer. Question 4. Each side of a square is given. Find the first thing we need to find is its perimeter. So side of the square is given to us as 3.6 meters. The perimeter of a square, the formula is 4 into side, which is 4 into 3.6 meters because that is the side. So let's multiply 3.6 into 4. That is 36 into 4. 4 6s are 24, carry 2. 4 3s are 12, 13, 14. 144. Now the question says there's one decimal place. Our answer also should have one decimal place. So here we found the perimeter to be 14.4 meters. So the perimeter of this square here is 14.4 meters. Now the second thing that we need to find is the area. Again, we are going to use the side given to us and find the area. The side of the square is 3.6 meters. So the area will be, the formula says side square. So that is side into side. Side square means side into side, which is 3.6 meters into 3.6 meters. So let's do that. 3.6 into 3.6. Let's multiply, removing the point, 36 into 36. 6 6s are 36, carry 3. 6 3s are 18, 19, 20, 21. Second step, 3 6s are 18, carry 1. 3 3s are 9, plus 1, 10. So let's add this up. 6, 1 plus 8 is 9. Then we have 2 and 1, 1296. Going back to the question, there's one decimal place here and one more. 1 plus 1 is 2. So our answer also should have two decimal places. So after the point, 2 digits. So here we have 12.96 and we have found the area. So it is 12.96 meter square. So our final answer here is 12.96 meter square. Perimeter of a square is given to us. We have to find its each side. Okay, so the perimeter of the square is 60 meters. To find the side of the square, we use the formula perimeter by 4. That is 60 meters by 4. So let's divide 60 by 4. 4 ones are 4 minus 2. I bring down 0, it's 20. 4 fives are 20, so minus 0. So I have found the side of the square to be 15 meters. So that's the first thing that we have found. Each side is 15 meters. Now the second thing we need to find is its area. Now let's use this measurement of the side. The side of the square is 15 meters. Now we are going to find its area. The area of the square is side square. So that is side into side. That will be 15 meters into 15 meters because that is the value of the side. So 15 into 15. Let's multiply. 5 5s are 25, carry 2. 5 1s are 5, 6, 7, 0. 1 5s are 5, 1 1s are 1. So let's add this up. 5, 7 plus 5 is 12, carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So here we have area as 225 meter square. So the final answer here is area of the square is 225 meter square. Now we have to find the new area obtained on increasing each of the sides by 2 meters. So the original side of the square is 15 meters. We found out. Then the increased side will be 15 meters plus 2 meters. That will be equal to 17 meters. So now we have to find the new area of the square. Let's use the formula side square, which is side into side. This is equal to 17 meters into 17 meters. So let's multiply 17 into 17 and see what we get. 7 7s are 49, carry 4, 7 1s are 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11, second step, 1 7s are 7, 1 1s are 1. Let's add this up. 9, 1 plus 7 is 8, 1 plus 1 is 2. So here we found the new area. So we have found the new area to be 289 meter square. So this is our answer. The new area is 289 meter square. Question 6. Each side of a square is 7 meters. Now if each side is increased by 3 meters, what will be the increase in its area? So we have to first find the perimeter using 7 meters and then the perimeter using the increased side. So let's begin. Side of the square is 7 meters. The area of the square will be the formula side square. This is equal to side into side, which is 7 meters into 7 meters. So the area of the square is 7 7s are 49 meter square. So we have found the area to be 49 meters square. This is the area of the original square. Now the new length will be 7 meters plus 3 meters, which is 10 meters. So this is the new length of the side because the question says if it is increased by 3 meters. So we increased it by 3 meters and we added it up, we got 10 meters. Now we have to find the new area. Let's use the formula side square, which is side into side. That is, now the new length is 10 meters, 10 meters into 10 meters. 10 tens are 100 meter square. So this is the new area. The new area is 100 meters square. Now what we are supposed to find is the increase in area. So how much has the area increased? That is the question. So to find the increase in area, we have to subtract the two areas. We have to subtract the new area and the original area. So let's do that. The new area is 100 meters square and the original area is 49 meter square. So let's subtract 100 and 49. So let's borrow. This is 10, 9, 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 4 is 5. So we've got 51. So the increase in area is 51 meter square. So this is what we have found, the increase in area. So this is our final answer. The increase in area is 51 meter square. So we'll stop with this for now, children. In our next video, we will continue with the remaining questions. Thank you.